Alright, y'all, it's been only 67 days since these red potatoes have been in the ground, but I can't wait. I want to see how they're doing and what they're doing. My lettuce is growing too. I don't see this plant here doing much more photosynthesis. This one either, but so we're just gonna kind of pull this one and see if we can see we got some potatoes there. Yeah, well, there's a little one there. We definitely got ants. So let's see. I feel something. Oh, there's one. There's a nice one right there. There's a nice potato. It's a little easily messed up though. There's a little baby. A little baby. I'm trying not to dig down with the shovel because I don't want to cut them up. So I'm trying to dig it. It's gonna be hard to figure out where they at. But I do have the little shovel right there. Can't believe it's just one potato. It's gotta be more than just one, huh? Let's get down in there. Yeah, they're down deep. There's another couple here. I am kind of skinning them up pretty badly. And that's just with my hands. They grew down deeper than I thought. Way down there. Okay. I'm trying to reach under at the bottom. There we go. It's not bad. Oh, splitting there. It's time to get them up out of there. Some little new potatoes. There we go. That's not bad. Gonna have to let them dry out and cure. Still got a little one. So the rest I'm gonna leave a little longer. Yeah, about another month. Yeah, I just had to see what they were doing. These are gonna be good little bitty ones, boiled with some garlic and some butter. It'll be real good. All right, now I think I got them all. I don't want to go any further. I don't want to get those. Just this one plant I was after. One plant, that's it. Okay, I'll get over there. My bad. All right. I may come in and dig it up a little more later, but because there may be some deeper down there. But one plant, I got that many potatoes. That looks like a little rot right there. I don't know what the deal is on that one, but we shall see. All right, y'all. First potato harvest of the year, 2024. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 good sized ones and a few little ones. All right, we're gonna go cure that and cook that. What we got here? I'm gonna make sure didn't miss none, so I will probably come back and dig a little deeper because they were deeper than I thought. But that should be it. There shouldn't be none past that clay right there. Okay, that's a wrap on that. Later.